So today we're going to make these macrame inspired hanging wall art. This did take a little while, so keep in mind you're definitely going to need to put some time aside to do this, but it's super fun and it turned out to be super nice, and it's so cheap if you do it yourself. If you're interested, stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it right now. Okay guys, so today we're going to make two different types of wall art. For this first one, it's super easy. We're basically just going to be attaching all different types of string to this dowel. I got all this string from Michael's for like 50% off, so that was really awesome. And then I had all this just random string and finishing and materials, all this random stuff that I don't know if I'll ever use, so I'm using that as part of it, and you guys can just use whatever you want. All you need is this dowel, and I got it from Home Hardware. And actually for the two DIYs, I only bought one dowel, and I just got them to cut part of it off to make the second one that I'll show you guys next. So for this first one, stay tuned and we're gonna make it right now.
So the first strand you cut will be the longest, and then every other string will go shorter and shorter up the sides. Now just trim the string so it's the shape that you want it to be.
Okay, so for the second one, we are actually going to be making a mini macrame sort of thing. I'm not an expert at macrame stuff, so I'm going to do my best, but I just want to show you guys that it can be easy, especially if you make a mini one. And then, like I said before, this is actually the end of the dowel from the first wall art, so you don't have to buy two dowels. You can just cut off a piece of the end, and I got this actually from a thrift store for really cheap, so you can really find stuff anywhere. You don't have to spend a lot of money. And then also you just need some scissors. Alright, let's start!
So first you're going to tie a double knot on one side of the dowel, measure how long you want the hanging part to be, and tie another double knot. Measure how long you want your macrame to be, and then make the strings 5 times that length. Use that first string to measure and cut the rest of the strings. For the first knot, find the middle of the string, make a loop, and then put the loop under the dowel, then pull the rest of the string through the loop. Now you're going to make that all along the dowel. Make sure the total number of strings that you have is a multiple of 4 because each knot requires 4 strings to make. Hang it up so it's easier to work from.
Okay, so as you can see, these are really thin because I really liked this color, so I chose yarn, but it probably would be good to use rope. It might be easier and like you won't have to do as many knots, but I'm going to do this one because I like the color. So we're going to be basically working with 4 strings at a time. So the first knot we're going to do is a square knot, so you're going to take 4 and you're going to leave the 2 in the middle straight, and you're going to make like a 4 over it, and then take this one and go under it, pull it through, and then pull it all the way up. And then you have to take the other side and repeat it by putting this one first, this one under, and over, and then pull all the way up. And then that's what one square knot looks like. So we're gonna do that all the way across. Okay, so now that we have a whole row, what we're gonna do is make a triangle form. That's what I wanna do. So now you're gonna do the exact same thing as here, except for you're gonna leave these 2 pieces out and these 2 pieces out. And then repeat that all the way down until you get to one last square. Now see how this square falls in the middle of those 2, like a mini triangle. So it's gonna look like that all the way across. Okay, so now you're gonna do the same thing and take 2 out from that row. So you should have 4 strings and 4 strings. And then you're gonna keep doing that. So take 2 out per row all the way down into the bottom of the triangle. this square knot will be directly under the first one again. So now we have sort of a diamond shape. So all of them will be directly under the first square knot again. Okay guys, so now that we made the triangle, I decided I want to leave a little bit of this string and make another couple strands of square knots going like this. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Basically, you're just going to take 4 of them again like you did the first time. Do the square knot like this. And then you're just going to pull it a little bit down. You're not going to pull it all the way up. So now you're just going to do the square knots all the way down. And I'm just going to do 2 or 3 strands of those. And then that's it. So keep watching. Okay, so now we're gonna make a spiral, and we're only gonna do it like at the ends, in the middle, and then at the very bottom. It's basically the same as making a square knot. So you'll do the same thing, make the 4, cross it over and under, and pull all the way up. And then instead of alternating, you're just gonna keep doing it on this side. You can see it's starting to twist. Okay, so now that we're done all these spirals, we're gonna do one last knot. It sort of looks like twisted rope, and it's gonna go all the way down like this. So you're gonna take the end piece, and this is sort of gonna always stay in this motion. Keep it in the area that you want it to be. Then you're gonna take the second rope from it. It's gonna be under it. You're gonna loop it over and through the loop and pull it, and then you're gonna take it again and go under it this time and through the loop. And you're just gonna do that for each one. So it's 2 loops per rope, and you're gonna do that all the way down. So now we're just going to connect the bottom. So we have these 2 strands that went all the way through. What you're going to do is the exact same thing. So cross one over and do the same loop. So 1 and 2. And you're all done. Those took so long, but it's all done, and thank you for watching. And if you guys make any of them, please comment below so I can see what you guys made and what you guys liked. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and press subscribe if you want to see some more DIYs and other stuff coming your way. Thank you and have a great day.